The Mashpee Planning Department is bringing its local comprehensive planning community engagement activities to a close after months of community conversation and collaboration at 4 in-person workshops and at even more community events throughout the last summer and into the early fall. We have learned so much so far. Here are some of the key takeaways, thus far in no order of magnitude or priority. The community is concerned about the fragility and poor health of Mashpee's waters and water bodies, and wishes to support investments and regulatory changes that will support the restoration of Mashpee's water quality. The community continues to connect and identify with Mashpee's small town character, and as such wishes to ensure future land use decisions prioritize the preservation of that community character. The community recognizes that Mashpee's current housing stock is not providing housing that is attainable for the workforce, and wishes to address this shortfall by prioritizing redevelopment of already disturbed parcels and areas, and further by maximizing the town's potential to generate new, year-round dwelling units using town property earmarked for that purpose. Lastly, the community values the rich cultural history and heritage of the Mashpee Wampanoag tribe, and wishes to elevate that history to a place of prominence whenever possible, and further to educate residents new and old about Wampanoag culture so that native and non-native residents can work toward a more united Mashpee. The community recognizes that its identity is very much defined by the wonder and beauty provided by Mashpee's natural resources, its rivers, ponds, woodlands, and wetlands, and its beaches, and thus wishes to preserve and protect as much of those assets as possible. If you identify with these statements, or you do not, there are 2 opportunities remaining in this process for you to make your voice and your opinion count. On Tuesday, December 12th at 6:30 p.m., the Planning Department will be hosting a virtual community workshop. The Zoom link and other details can be found on the town's website and also on www.planmashpee.com. And lastly, the Planning Board will be launching a community survey in early December that will remain open through the new year. This survey will be largely online with links posted also to the town's webpage and www.planmashpee.com. However, paper copies will be made available at the Senior Center and Mashpee Library if hard copy is your preference. Thank you for your participation throughout the entirety of this process. Happy holidays.